we are Indians. It is so we should feel very, very proud that we are belonging to a country where yoga was taught and believed in, where yogic exercises were practiced centuries back. And today, the whole Western world, of whom we imitate, is adapting to yoga as a way of life. So, my children, I believe that you should not just see it as one stop gate arrangement of one day where you are practicing it, but slowly, whatever yogic exercises are being taught to you by your seniors, by my faculty members, by my physical education teachers, please start seeing to it that these yogic exercises become your way of life.
I'd like to invite HR teacher of 10D, Amita ma'am, to come up and enlighten us about the significance of the day.
थैंक यू मैम। योग अपनाएं, अपने शरीर को स्वस्थ बनाएं। सुबह हो या शाम रोज कीजिए योग, निकट न आएगा कभी आपके कोई रोग। इन्हीं विचारों के साथ मैं अमिता सिंह आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस के अवसर पर अपने विचार लेकर प्रस्तुत हूँ। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस जो कि विश्व भर में 21 जून को मनाया जाता है। योग भारतीय संस्कृति और सभ्यता की पहचान है। इसके द्वारा हम निरोग तथा स्वस्थ रह सकते हैं। साथ ही हर आयु वर्ग के लोग योग द्वारा मन तथा मस्तिष्क को तंदुरुस्त भी रख सकते हैं। योग की कला का जश्न मनाने के लिए एक विशेष दिन की स्थापना का विचार आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने प्रस्तावित किया था। सितंबर 2014 में संयुक्त राष्ट्र महासभा में अपने भाषण के दौरान उन्होंने इस सुझाव का प्रस्ताव दिया। योग दिवस 21 जून को मनाए जाने का विशेष कारण यह भी है कि 21 जून उत्तरी गोलार्ध में वर्ष का सबसे लंबा एवं सबसे बड़ा दिन होता है। यह भारतीयों के लिए गर्व का विषय है कि मन और शरीर को फिट रखने के लिए हमारी प्राचीन कला अर्थात योग की कला को स्वीकार किया गया।
Keeping up with this, since this day is fully owned by the sports department, therefore without much ado, I'd like to invite a sports coach from school, Anil sir, to show some practical demonstration of the asanas, starting with the warm-up, followed by Surya Namaskar, several important breathing techniques, and Bhujanga Asana.
Now twist your body left and right. Good. Now relax. Relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Good. Now we are going to do Bhramari Pranayam. So first of all, everyone, please put your thumb in your ear, close your eyes, and put your palm on your eyes, and chant a mantra. Hold your breath. Now inhale. Again, do the mantra. This Bhramari Pranayam is very good for our breathing and concentrate our mind. At last time, once again, we all will do. Start breathing. Chant the mantra. Slowly open your eyes, put on your hands, and take a deep breath. Breathe in, hold your breath. Now breathe out. Breathe in, hold your breath as possible as you can. Now breathe out. Okay. Now everyone please stand up. We are going to do a Surya Namaskar exercise. Surya Namaskar is nothing but a combination of our whole body stretching exercise. Okay? And in this Surya Namaskar asana there are 20 different poses are there. 12 poses are there. Okay? So please stand up everyone. Okay? Now start. Start with the first pose like this. Breathe in. Close your eyes and breathe in. Breathe out. And stretch your body back side like this. Breathe in. Now down. Put your right leg back side like this. Chin up. Now left leg back. Chin down and hip up like this. Again, raise your shoulders and look upside. This pose is also known as Cobra pose or Bhujanga.
This we come towards the end of our session, which we are celebrating virtually International Yoga Day. I'm short of words for the involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zone. Firstly, I'd like to encourage the student Govind, who was alone in switching on his camera and imitating, practicing the yoga postures being taught by his teacher. Thank you so much, Govind. There were a lot of students, but then he had the only courage. So, good job.